welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create viral YouTube scripts, short scripts with Gemini on iPhone. If you want quick catchy video scripts, Gemini can help you write them in seconds. Now, first of all, download or update the Gemini app from the App Store, then log in with your Google account. Next what you can do is in the chat box type something like write a 45-second YouTube short script with a strong hook, 3 quick tips about iPhone privacy, and a call to action at end. Yeah, type in something like this and then send it. After that,
here's a 45-second YouTube
Gemini
short script for iPhone privacy
long,
with a strong
make
hook
it
and quick
under
tips.
150 words
Video.
or make it funny and a Gen Z friendly. Let's say that. Make it more funny and Gen Z friendly. And then and there you go. Check your YouTube or Google Trends for hot topics and include them in your prompt so Gemini writes scripts that match what people are searching for. Take Gemini's draft, paste it into your Notes app or directly into your video editor, or tweak it so it matches your voice. Now, safety tip: never rely 100% on AI. Always personalize scripts so they sound natural and not robotic. Quick fix: if Gemini scripts feel bland, write it like Mr. Beast style or write it like a TikTok growth hack. Gemini adjusts tone fast. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick